What does little Nancy want? French fries. Let's do this.
Okay.
Everyone seems to be ready.
I love eating French fries, but I've never made them. Well, I guess I have to peel the potatoes. But wait, I don't want to do that. I have ready-made frozen potatoes. Okay, pouring oil into the pan. Easy peasy. We're gonna put it all in. Now turning on the heat and pouring in our French fries.
No! Alex, don't do that!
I'm already doing it. Oh no! The oil is shooting right at me! What am I gonna do? Oh, that's better.
Alex, that was very dangerous. Let me show you. We put it in the oil, stirring it up, and taking it out. Oh, they're ready. Putting it on a plate and adding some ketchup. And you're done.
Now it's my turn to show off my recipe. I'm going to do so much better. I've already cooked the perfect fries.
Nice.
Now we need some bacon. Perfect! Wrapping the fries in bacon. I'll make very appetizing rolls. We put everything on a plate and pouring berry sauce over it. Some rosemary on top and my perfect dish is ready.
Come on!
Okay, I know what to do. I'm gonna make marmalade banana fries. It's going to be unrealistically delicious. And strawberry syrup on the side. Done! Wow! These look so good! I want to start with this one. It looks unusual. Ew, gross! I don't like it. What's in here?
What?
It doesn't look like potatoes. Let's dip it in sauce and try it. Ooh, it's marmalade with strawberry syrup. And what do we have here? Wow, these fries are delicious. And they're even better with ketchup. Grandma wins. You know what I want now? Make me some waffles, please. The most delicious ones. Sis, it'll be done. I need eggs. Cracking them into a bowl. Next, we need some sugar. What is it, Granny? Of course. I'll pour a little bit. Although, you know, my sis likes everything sweet. Mixing it with a whisk. All right. Just the right amount.
Oh, yes?
We need to add some flour for the perfect consistency. Oh, I got it in my nose! I can't see! I'm covered in flour! Oh. Oops. Grandma, sorry. Well, my batter's ready. I just have to pour it into the waffle iron. Great! We'll have 2 delicious waffles. Grandma, how are you doing?
Me? I'm doing fine. I've already finished the dough. It's delicious. Pouring it into the waffle iron and waiting. Chef?
You'll see everything for yourself now. I'm not making sweet waffles. I'm making zucchini waffles. It's going to be incredibly delicious and healthy. Grating zucchini. Then we need eggs, a little parsley, and flour. All that's left is to mix everything to make it even more appetizing. The dough is almost ready. Oh, this green color, and it tastes amazing. Pouring everything into the waffle maker and waiting for it to be fully cooked.
My waffles are ready. All that's left is to drizzle that with maple syrup and add a bit of butter on top. Alex, look at this cuteness! Oh no! Alex, your waffles are on fire!
What? No way! Oh, my waffles, they're all burnt! It's definitely not going to do. Well, I'll just cover it up with some whipped cream. And a lot of it.
Oh, yes?
We'll put some delicious berries on top. And that way, Nancy won't even notice.
Oh, no!
Your dish looks terrible. Let me show you how to serve waffles the right way. Adding a scoop of sour cream, chopped cherry tomatoes, and a parsley leaf on top. Done! This is something you definitely want to eat.
Oh, they look awesome! I'll try these ones first. Delicious!
Yummy.
What is in here? Oh, my favorite berries and whipped cream! Nice! Yum, 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 yum. Where are the waffles? They're so well hidden. Oh, no! What is this? It's like coal. Not gonna try it. What did the chef make?
Oh.
What? Why are they green? And there's parsley. Ew, that's zucchini. Gross.
No.
The winner is definitely Grandma.
Oh, man.
Yay! Once again!
Huh?
I already know what I want. Make me some coffee, please. Okay.
No problem, Nancy!
What?
Oh, Alex!
I'm getting the ice out. Now, transferring the ice to the glass. Decorating the glass with chocolate syrup. This is delicious. It's amazing. Decorating the glass beautifully. And the next step is to pour in some chocolate milk and Starbucks coffee. It's gonna be unbelievably delicious. All right, now the whipped cream. Oh, it's good. Decorating the top. Done! All that's left is to crumble Oreos on top and decorate everything with Nancy's favorite goodies. Awesome! I'm ready to serve it.
What?
What is that? Alex, you did something wrong again. Let me show you. I have a bag of instant coffee. Look, a few seconds and it's done. It's really good. And in my favorite mug.
This is some kind of mockery of cooking. I'm going to show you the perfect recipe that everyone will love. This is the most proper way to make coffee. You need to grind the coffee beans to a powdered state. Then, pour it straight into the glass. Pouring boiling water and stirring everything. Now, it is time to pour it into a mug. It remains to add milk, but first, we whisk everything to the state of foam. Great! And let's make a beautiful drawing in the shape of a cinnamon heart. All done. Nancy, hurry up and try it.
Wow, so much coffee! I want to try this one first. My favorite goodies! This is so yummy! And there's Kit Kat! That is awesome! I love this kind of coffee. I give it a like. And now it's time for this coffee. Wow, Oh, there's a nice heart. Ew, gross. I don't like it. Well, what's in here? This is definitely Grandma's. Oh no, I don't like it either. Well, I've decided that my brother Alex is the winner. He's the best.
Yahoo! I finally won!
I want rolls. Can you make them? It's not as hard as it looks. Start cooking because I'm starving.
Well, that is simple. We need to boil some rice.
I can do that too!
Ew.
Ew. Are you seriously going to make fish rolls?
No.
Nancy would definitely not like it. We should make sweet rolls. This is really good. And whipped cream on marmalades. It's the best. Putting a gummy eye in the filling. And more gummy bears. Now we have to roll it all up. It looks appetizing. But it wouldn't be out of place with chocolate syrup. Pouring it over the top, and now it's perfect.
Hey.
What do you think?
Ah, that's terrible. I wish I hadn't seen that. My rice is done. I'm putting it on a special board. And a sheet of nori on top. Grandma, are you following me?
No, I'm just worried that you won't hurt yourself. I'm basically almost done.
Oh, Grandma, you're not fixable. I'm going to use some cheese and some cucumber. Rolling it all up. What about you?
I'm about to twist the whole thing up too. Okay, how is it? I think like that.
Good thing I know how to cook. We're cutting the rolls into smaller pieces. Some wasabi and soy sauce. Oh, perfect. I'm all set. It turned out really good.
I'm almost done too. I just have to put some fish. Oh, it looks terrible. We'll have to come up with something. That's right. I can make cucumber rolls. All I have to do is slice the cucumber and put some rice in the middle. Perfect. The rolls are healthy and delicious.
Wow, so many different rolls. I want to start with the sweet ones. Wow, that is cool! They taste unbelievably good. What's in here? What? Grandma, it's nothing like rolls. Don't even want to try it. What's in here? Wow, it's just like in the picture. This is awesome. Wow. This is incredible. I love it. But, who's the winner? Tough choice, but it's the chef.
Man.
I didn't even doubt it.
Wow, this is delicious. Oh, I dropped my spoon. Oh, where did this come from? That's a whole pineapple. I'm gonna need it for the fastest donut recipe ever. First, I need to cut the pineapple into rings. And I'll use my professional karate skills. Done! Now we need to coat the pineapple rings with Nutella. Let's do this. I'm dipping it in chocolate. And, of course, some sprinkles. It looks so appetizing. It does look like a donut. Alex the Rocker will perform for you! Hey! Bro!
What?
Alex! Oh, hey, sis! Did you bring me a goodie?
Oh, my.
Let's give it a try! Oh, pineapple and Nutella! What could be better? Really? I need to try it too. Yummy! 5 out of 5 stars!
train is already rushing on its journey. Oh, there's some goodies in here. My favorite little marshmallows. I'm definitely gonna need them in my new recipe. Let's put them all in the bowl. All right. Using a spatula to mix it, to melt it, and perfect. We've got some liquid marshmallows. Now we need a pastry bag. Let's pour it right in there. Alrighty, and straight to the donut molds. Awesome! And putting it into the fridge. Let's wait for it to harden. All set. Yay! Let's pull it out and put it on a plate. I'm going to pour some nice blue syrup over everything. And some cute sprinkles on top. Looks amazing. Let's go to Alex. He's gonna love it.
Oh, my!
Wow, my favorite show!
Alex, hi! I brought you some new goodies.
Awesome! Go sit next to me! Let's watch the show together and eat! Oh, what is that? White donuts? Let's try some! They look delicious! Whoa! And they're incredibly yummy! Brittany, you're so good! You want some?
Sure. Oh, this is really delicious. I'll give this recipe 5 stars. These marmalades are delicious. Whoa, what is that thing? A donut machine? That is so cool. I want to make delicious donuts. I even know what I'm going to use. I have so many gummy bears that I can use to make them. The donuts will definitely turn out incredibly delicious. Just need to wait a little. Oh, it's so nice to have something to do. I can sing and play for a while. Is everything ready?
Yes!
Let's get it out. Wow! They're so colorful and marmalade-y. Let's put it on a plate and sprinkle them with some colored sprinkles. Gotta get these to Alex now.
Base! Base! Alex is out hunting. Can you hear me? Someone's copying? I'm on the lookout. Is everything clear?
Hey, Alex! Oh, no! Alex, I'm your sister, Brittany! Oh, I'm fine. I brought you some goodies.
Whoa! Looks awesome! Gotta try it. This is unbelievably delicious! Brittany, you're an awesome cook!
Let's see. Indeed, very tasty. Craving some kind of a yummy treat. Ice cream will definitely work for me. Waiting and… Oh, that was fast. Thank you. Bye-bye. Now we have to try it. Strawberry ice cream is delicious. But I can't open it. Ouch! My nail! Oh, my nails are broken! All because of the stupid ice cream. I'm gonna get you. Didn't want to open the good way? Then I'll cut you with a knife. That's much better. You remind me of a donut. I'll use some syrup, some sprinkles, and a little gummy on top. Cool! That is beautiful. Alex is going to love it.
Jumping, jumping, jumping. Oh! Oh no! Good thing I fell on a box with stuffed animals. Oh, Brittany, did you make something again? Gotta try it soon. Looks amazing. What does it taste like? My favorite ice cream! 5 out of 5 stars!
Oh, finally, a snack. Oh, that's a lot of apples. My chips. Well, I definitely need to make something delicious out of apples. There's a reason there's so many of them. It smells so good, but I need some cool kitchen gadgets to peel apples. Oh! This is so powerful! It's definitely not working for me. Is there anything else? No. What is here? Ooh! This is fun! Alrighty, let's look for stuff. Ooh! That's exactly what we're gonna use!
Perfect. Now some strawberry syrup. Let's pour it on everything. Wow, it's beautiful. Some colored sprinkles. Perfect. These donuts are colorful and amazing. I would eat them myself, but I have to let Alex try them first. Richie! Yay! He learned how to sing and play keyboards! Oh, Brittany! Hi! Brought me a new goodie? Let's give it a taste test. Apples? I had no idea apples could be so good! Oh yeah, that's better. Now we're gonna get some dye. This one is perfect. Throw in the egg, and it's time to turn off the lights. Let's check it out. Whoa! It's beautiful! Yeah! It's awesome! Uh-oh! I'm sorry! It was an accident! Are you thinking what I'm thinking? One color is cool, but all the colors of the rainbow are 100 times better. Oh yeah! That is a 5-star life hack! Definitely! Okay, this time it's definitely gonna work.
I love you.
Yes, let's do this. Once and for all. Oh! There he is. All it takes is a kiss. And... what is going on? Brittany! Stop doing all this nonsense! Check out this cool live hack! Let's try it, huh?
Okay.
Let's go! Yeah! Okay, this bottle is perfect. Oh, leave it to me. I'll get rid of the soda in no time. Great. Okay, the end. Bingo! Let's put the candle in and light it. This is the moment of truth. Nothing is happening. Okay, well, we've got plenty more candles. This doesn't make any sense. 3 candles. And... oh, it doesn't work. Barely 2 stars. Yay! Happy birthday to me! Woohoo! A present? Ooh, thank you so much! Oh, they're so loud! Boring. Whoa! Brittany! Look! There's a live hack we have to try! What do you think? Well, okay. We even have everything for it. Come on, hurry up. Here are the eggs, and here are our Bengal lights. Now we're gonna put the egg here. Let's light it up. Oh, the spark is going fast. What's gonna happen? Oh, let's see. Oh, it worked! Wow, pretty cool, huh?
Cool. Okay.
Do you want to try it? Brittany, come on! It looks pretty cool. Yeah. No, thanks. Well, the life hack is 5 stars. So, what's new on TikTok?
What?
Whoa! This is incredible! We just have to try this! Oh, yoga like this? Oh, it's kind of hard. Hey, Brittany! Did you fall asleep or something? Get up! It's time to check out some new life hacks. What do you think?
Okay.
Come on! Alright, let's get all the eggs out of the fridge. Oh, yeah! And this one here.
Yeah.
Now we need some weights. Whoa! Alex, you love to complicate things. Why do we need weights when we have me? Let's try this. Okay, first step. Wow, it worked! Hey! No, Alex, it's my turn. Oops. Yeah, that's fun.
5 stars! Alex, don't stop me from cooking! What is that? Interesting. Let's give it a try. This one should be perfect. Let's get down to business. Okay, putting all the eggs together. Like this. Now we need some vinegar.
Cool.
Ugh, it smells bad. Woo. Pouring out the whole bottle. Great! We'll just have to wait and see. I think it'll be ready soon. Yeah, a little more. Oh, it's taking so long. I'm falling asleep. Oh, finally! Oh, I think we got it!
Amen.
How fun! They become so cool and squishy! I love squishies! We can play with this thing all day long! So much fun! Definitely 5 stars! A fight? That's fun! Whoa! Oh, I'm so tired! What? No way! That's such a cool life hack! Okay, sleep can wait. Brittany, I hope you're awake. Hey, wake up, sis.
Cool.
We got an emergency. Okay, if you want to sleep, I'll do this cool life hack myself. All I have to do is find the right things.
Oh, no.
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 Oh, that'll work. I'll just... Oops! Huh? What's that noise? Robbers? Oh, you better stay back. I know Kung Fu. Who do we have here? Alex, what are you doing? All right, let's give it a try. Just be quiet. Let's go. Okay, let's stretch the tights. Grab an egg and let's go. Let's give our egg a real amusement park. That's hilarious. Oops. Sorry, bro. What's up? Oops. Well, we're about to find out. Just a little more patience, Brittany. The moment of truth. It has boiled. Let's blow on it and... let's open it. That's not quite right. No. Oh! Well, it's a little better, but still not right. What about this one?
Awesome.
Whoa! Not bad! 4 stars. Hey, Brittany, you want to see something really cool? Here, hold this. You're about to see it all. Let's add some pink paint here. And moving on. Yellow here, blue here. And let's not forget about the other colors. Now let's take a blank white canvas. And you're gonna check it out now. Bam! Ha! Alex, this is really fun. I can actually feel my stress going down. And my mood is elevated. A masterpiece. 5 stars.